Good day, I am Mark Joshua Florindo, 19 years old, from Tabon-Tabon, Leyte, a student of PMI Bohol, and I take program of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. I chose this program because I dream of becoming a professional seafarer and serving the maritime industry. I believe a sayings, knowledge is power, but discipline is success. This subject is important in my program because it helps develop my critical thinking, decision making, and problem solving skills. These subjects will help me fulfill my dream of becoming a successful licensed seafarer by preparing me with the knowledge, skills, and mindset I need to face real challenges at sea and achieve my goals. Thank you, and I will continue to strive for excellence in my maritime journey.